Hello guys and welcome to this Rork AI app builder tutorial. If you have tried building mobile apps with AI before, you already know the frustrating reality. Most AI builders just create glorified websites wrapping an app icon. They feel very clunky, the animations stutter, and they don't have access to your phone's native hardware. But in 2026, Rork, and specifically their massive new update, which is called Rork Max, completely flipped the script. This is basically like an autonomous developer that is gonna, basically write actual native code, which is gonna be in React and in Swift directly in your browser. No heavy emulators, no Xcode. You just literally describe your app in like plain English, scan a QR code, and the app is gonna be running on your iPhone. So I'm gonna show you this process exactly by building a fully functional fitness and habit tracker. Okay, I'm gonna show you every detail, so let's jump in. Before we jump in, guys, remember that you have a link in the description below so that you can try the service. I'll let them know in the future what I think of it, but I recommend you try it out. Okay, so when you log into Rork, you are greeted by a chat interface. There's no confusing like drag and drop canvas, it's a pure prompt to app builder. So you can just type your app description from scratch. In my case, I'm just gonna paste this prompt in here, but you can also attach images, and this can come from, for example, like design pages, which are gonna give the model some guidance, okay? But I'm not gonna do it in this case. I'm also gonna enable the plan mode, and yeah, the rest of the details I will give you in the review. So I'm just gonna keep it quite simple. Let's just go for it, okay? Let's click on enter. Now, what's gonna happen is that, on the right side of the screen, Roark's A agent start writing the structural code immediately, okay? Because it's writing standard code, the app is gonna actually respect native mobile gestures, rounded corners, and smooth transitions. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit of time, so I'm gonna tell you exactly when it's gonna be done, and I'm gonna time it. But before that, Rork is gonna guide you with a couple of questions so it better knows what to do. So I'm just gonna go like this one here, dark artificial user interface. This one here. And I'm just gonna click on submit now, and it's gonna try to implement everything we said. Don't forget you're gonna have to approve it after it's, summarizes the thing. And by the way, guys, remember that you're gonna have access to the preview on the right panel, okay? It's gonna take a while until it's available before, it needs to code a lot of stuff, but it's gonna be available soon. Okay, so this took barely 5 minutes, and as you can see in here, the app is created, but it didn't create just the app, but also like a Mac app of the iPhone, which is actually great. And what we're gonna do in here, I recommend you be careful, guys, because this looks a little bit confusing, but in reality, it's very simple. You're just gonna have to explore for your, fitness application, okay? Now, I also recommend you wait until it says live in here, not until it says building, because then it's gonna, be building the app still. So you can look in this beautiful phone for the app, which in my case is Pulse Feeds. You can see it in here. I'm just gonna click on it. So, it looks pretty good and it looks actually amazing. I cannot complain about this. It's cool. Now, guys, for the magic trick, historically testing on, an iOS mean downloading massive developer tools and waiting hours for it to compile, but not anymore. I'm just gonna click on run on your device in here, and now you're just gonna download this app, which is gonna be allow you to connect your iPhone, basically. Okay. Now you can also preview from an iPhone or from an iPad, depending on what you want to test it at. So, look at this. I'm tapping the buttons on my actual phone, on this phone in here, and it feels exactly like an app that you download from the application store. Okay, the UI is clean and mobile, and the immediate feedback loop is why Rork is currently the fastest rapid prototyping tool on the internet. Now, as usual, the AI might not get it right on the first try, so you're gonna have to reprompt. So for these, you can say something like, okay, I'm gonna prompt integrate Apple Health Kit to automatically pull the user's real daily step count into the dashboard. Okay, you can see this, for example. However, I'm gonna give you a little warning. As you can see, this first version is pretty much perfect. However, when you get to iteration 4 or 5, you start adding new functionalities, the code base is gonna get quite complex. Okay, and sometimes the AI is gonna make like a logic mistake. So what I recommend you do instead is that maybe you can just download this application as it is, and then you can edit it using another code vibing software such as, for example, Curse. And that's gonna allow you to fix the specific logic bug locally. Okay, so I would use Rork for the heavy lifting and layout and fix the edge cases yourself. And you can do that very simple because you can connect, this account to your GitHub by clicking on connect in here. And that's gonna allow you to basically have it in your local computer or in the cloud. Okay, so you can do whatever you want with it. Now, after your app is finished, you want to publish it, right? In the past, getting an app from your computer to the App Store required an expensive Mac, a 99 Apple developer account, and days of wrestling with provisioning certificates. But with Rork Mass, it's actually quite simple. You're just gonna click on Publish in here. You're gonna click on New Submission, and you're basically gonna complete all of the information, okay? And the good thing is that you can actually generate it using artificial intelligence, the logo and all that. And Rork is gonna handle the entire build pipeline and is gonna submit the package directly to the App Store Connect. So you can invite beta testers via email right from the door dashboard, and they will get like a test flight link within minutes. Okay, it's super frictionless. And remember, you can invite collaborators by clicking on this button here, the invite collaborators button. So you guys, that's pretty much it. I hope that this is good for you and you can make use of it. I recommend you start building an application right now because it's super functional and it's going to do a great job from the beginning. I have linked Rork in the description below so you can try prompting your first application today. So do not forget to like and subscribe for more AI building tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.